Hello everyone, welcome to Live Hall. In case you are new here, myself Kaushik with my co-host Saviti. So let's not waste much of your time today and directly land into today's topic. Now, do you know that no matter how calm and composed you are, sometimes it can be hard to deal with distractions. Once you get into this vicious circle of distractions, both your valuable time and productivity are gone. And the thing about distraction is that they might be everywhere, but they can be easily avoided. Distractions holds us back and doesn't let us do whatever we want to do. It takes us away from ourselves and pushes us into another world of thoughts and other unnecessary stuffs. Like, for example, you made up your mind and started to study. But after an hour or so, you realized you were in the same page. And you were wondering, damn, my mind was not here, it was somewhere else. And I wasted much of my valuable time. वरना हम इंजीनियरिंग स्टूडेंट लोगों का क्या, वो तो एग्ज़ाम के एक रात पहले पूरी की पूरी किताब खत्म करके एग्ज़ाम भी दे देते हैं। टैलेंट की कमी नहीं है आप लोगों के पास, सिर्फ ध्यान की है ना? So let's understand how to keep distractions away and how to squeeze out the maximum value of our time.
Even the word distraction is getting me distracted right now. What can I say about distraction? It is something we all face almost every day in our life. Today's world is full of seemingly unlimited distractions, and these distractions, they are always in constant motion around us to grab our attention. I don't know if any one of you can relate to this situation, or it's just that I have a unique problem. But every time during my exams, whenever I get into that serious mode that I'll study from now on, and then after like 10 to 15 minutes of studying, my mind naturally starts thinking about where am I going to travel in the holidays after the exams, how I will spend the holidays with my friends, which movies am I going to watch, and blah 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 blah. Does that sound familiar? Another big distraction which I believe all of us face is constantly checking our phones without any purpose while we are doing something important. As we all know that we are growing up in a social media generation, yes we are. Almost all of us have that constant urge of checking our phones for notifications if someone has texted us, if someone has liked our pictures, or if someone has followed us. So tell me, how can we expect to stay more focused when we can't resist our own urge of checking the phone? And there are also many other types of distractions like excessive noise going on in your background, your friends from the neighborhood calling you for a cricket match when you're just about to study, or my personal favorite, your dur ki mausi ka beta called you to tell you about his breakup story and now you have to listen to him for the next 30 minutes. Distractions will always be there. But now the big question is, how can we kill these distractions and stay more focused? I will tell you guys about my own tricks and tips which I personally use, or you can say I adopted these changes in my life over the past few years. And this helped me a lot to get less distracted and stay more focused. The two big things which genuinely impacted my life is one, not checking up my phone the first thing in the morning. Like the first hour of the day is for me and just for me and myself. I start my day doing my workout and writing down all my goals for that day. I mean, the particular things which I want to accomplish that day. I am a firm believer in winning the morning to win the day. To be more precise, I will say you can look up on your phone to see if there is any important call, or if you want to play some music or songs for your morning workout, meditation, yoga, or to just get in sync with the day. But don't, and please don't, go into the social media sites and start scrolling down, watching other people's lifestyle, and start responding by comparing your life to theirs. This is the worst thing you can do to ruin the rest of your day and feel distracted the entire day. And the second thing which I have been doing for almost a year to cope up with that problem of constantly checking up my phone for notifications is, whenever I have some important work to do, I just go to my app settings and turn off the notifications from all the social media apps. And it's even better if you don't need your phone while you're working. Then you can just put the phone in the other room or give it to your parents, and once your work is finished, you can just take it back. As they say, if you don't have the willpower to control your urge, then completely remove the thing that triggers the temptation. Other ways to kill distractions are, for example, if you feel like there is too much noise in the background, then भाई साहब एक 100 रुपए के earphone खरीदो, अपने कान में डालो, play some music and start working. As simple as that. Or you can just buy some noise reduction earplugs from your nearby drugstore, and they cancel out almost all of the external noise. Now, do you know that your environment also plays a big role in staying focused and being more productive? You will always be distracted if your workplace is not clean and organized, and has so many things scattered here and there in front of you to distract you in as if. Now you may say like, I'm not an organized person, but I will say, if you want to stay more focused, at the bare minimum, please do keep your workplace clean and organized. And the next point is, I guess most of you are into multitasking to be more productive, doing 2-3 things at the same time and feeling like you are accomplishing more. But I will say multitasking is making you even more distracted. But how? Multitasking is good. Even I try to multitask, but not always. Because when you are doing 2-3 things at the same time, or concentrating on more than one thing at a single time, you often stay less attentive, less focused, your creativity level goes down, and at the end, you find that none of the work has been done effectively.
Last but not the least, the ultimate way to beat distraction is to do what you love. Follow your passion. You can never get distracted if you are doing what you love, and if you are in a situation where you have no choice. Try to love what you are doing. It will make things a little bit easier for you. Personally, I listen to music most often. I listen to it to increase my focus and beat distraction. And it works like magic for me. I got used to it so much that light music in the background builds up a perfect environment for me to do my work. There are countless ways to beat distractions. However, we just made you remember that it's not an obstruction. It's normal to get distracted. Find your own way to kill distraction. Find the way which best suits you and enjoy your life.